What about this for a new arrival this morning? Just look at the front of that car. Brand new, delivery miles, 26 plate, VAT qualifying, P300 hybrid, HSE, X-Dynamic Defender 110. So this is the new hybrid engine, 300 brake horsepower, plug-in range, you get 30 miles, but then it switches to petrol. But then it just looks phenomenal. It's in Borasco grey, full body kit on it, so it just transforms the look of the car. Look at the front of that, how they've squared it off with a front splitter, the canards, the wide arches, the bonnet vents. It just transforms the look of the car. It looks huge from the front. This is the brand new model. So you've got 13.1 inch screen, all the new characteristics of the new model Defender. But it's a P300, it's the first P300 new model Defender we've ever had. And the price includes VAT. So we spoke about the front of the car, big wide arches, big upgraded 22-inch wheels, multi-spoke in gloss black, all-terrain tyres which have been added. Mud flaps, side vents, bonnet vents, pod light, contrasting black roof, privacy glass, side steps. It just looks superb, this car. And then look at it from the back. So the rear arches, gloss black into the back bumper, gloss black there with it being a dynamic, rear spoiler, spare wheel cover, and then you've got these lovely new 26 facelift model flush lights. Just open the boot. So remember, this is a hybrid plug-in electric. So this will appeal to businesses because the benefit in kind is low. You've got something that looks superb. All your deck, it's got 2 charging cables there. Still got a big boot space. Still got air suspension as well. So the car will just perform much better on that. And it's in a very desirable colour. So, you know, to find a P300 Borasco grey, 26 VAT qualifying Defender like this is rare anyway, but then to get one which has been transformed just looks absolutely incredible. Inside, now you'll see all the HSE spec. So you've got things like ambient lighting, you've got full extended leather, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, sliding sunroof, ebony roof lining as well. It's all lovely throughout. You get an extended softer leather as well with being a HSE. Still got the stickers and things on the car. Keyless entry, blind spot monitoring, and then as we climb into the front, Meridian surround sound, memory seats, and then if we just put some power on, there we have it. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise, digital cockpit, 13.1 inch screen, so you've got this much larger screen with it being the new model. Wireless charging there as well to drop your phone on. You've got your adaptive air suspension, and then I'll just show you some of the other key features. So camera system, full 3D surround camera system, which is superb. Seats, not only have you got heated seats, you've got cooled seats as well. Other functions, remember this is an EV, so if I press the EV button, you've got all the different up-to-date technology. So you've got your hybrid options, you've got your complete EV range, and then you've got your petrol. So even though you've got your plug-in, your 30 miles, if you run out of that, it'll just switch to petrol. You can put it in hybrid mode, so it'll self-charge a little bit also as well. Also back into the main menu, then you've got your multimedia, your driver assistance, your Bluetooth, your navigation. Opening sunroof, another key extra. It's also got the cross dark beam as well. I get customers asking for that. So if you look at the steering wheel here, it's in that dark grey. Again, sections on the door cards. On some of the cars, that's all white, and they like the darker finish. It just works across the dashboard where it says Defender there as well. I'll just turn them pod lights on at the top. There's a little button for that there. So here we have it, P300e, fully transformed, 26 plate, delivery miles, VAT qualifying, going live on all our platforms. If you want to get it reserved, the name and number's on the screen.